In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get lots of volume and body into their hair by using Velcro rollers. Now I've blow dried the top and sides, what I'm going to do is put some Velcro rollers in on the top and the side sections, and this will help give me some volume that will last all day. So, for your first section, you're going to get a section that is no bigger or wider than your roller. You're going to pop your roller in. And you're going to go tuck the ends right in and use your 2 fingers, just 2 hands even, to go backwards and roll. And then you can add a sectioning clip just in here. So there we have it, how to create lots of volume and body in their hair. I hope you guys enjoy.